today I want to discuss something very, very important with you. Okay guys, so today we'll be shooting our first video of the year, and this is me going to the University of Benin, and I'm going to shoot the first video there because I feel like doing it there this time. All right. Okay, so as we go on this journey, I'd like you to really pay attention to what I have to tell you today, because this is going to be very powerful. Yeah, here I am on a location ready, so I'm about to set the gadgets, my equipment, so we can start recording. Alright, so today I want to discuss something very, very important with you. This is a new year, and I want to carry you along as much as I can, as much as possible. Do you understand? This is Uniben, and I've shown you around. I decided to come to this place to do this video because I just want to stroll out this evening. Alright, and what I want to talk about today requires an environment like this, so I just felt like let me come here and do the video. Yeah, so today we'll be talking about how to become successful in 2024 like the farmer. So the farmer's rule, what I will call the farmer's principle, or how should a farmer trade. Okay, I was born in the village, and I'm used to environments like this. I'm used to this kind of environment, and when we wake up in the morning, we go to farm and we plant all kinds of crops. We plant yams, we plant okra, we plant cassava, we plant any type of thing that that the land can take, right? So we used to plant all of those things. Now, one of the things that I observed while growing up as a farmer is that when you take your seed to the farm to plant, you are already decided that you want to release the seed, you want to lose it. Because when you plant a seed on the ground, it dies. Do you understand? It gets rotten, it dies. So, and after a while, maybe like 3 months, depending on the kind of crop. Let's say, for example, you are planting corn, that is maize. Let's say you plant corn, right? In 3 months, it's expected that corn must have died and germinated and started producing other corn. Now, as a trader, you need to liken this to your trading career. Do you know that one of the reasons why you kept losing money as a trader is because you refuse to have the mind that you want to risk an amount of your money? A farmer will risk the seed. Maybe, you know that sometimes too, when they plant the corn, it will not just be one, it will be like 3 or 4 in one hole, right? So, and out of the 3 or 4, maybe only 1 will sprout, maybe 2 will sprout. The farmer is not concerned about the one that dies. Do you know why? Because the one that will germinate will produce much more than the one that died. Okay, so that is the reason why the farmer is rich. He releases the seed to the ground, it dies, it germinates, okay, and it gives birth to new ones, and the farmer does not think about the ones that have died. His mind is not thinking about the ones that died, the ones he lost. And even, let's say you have up to 100 plantations, for example, 100 holes, not all of them will germinate, but at the end of the harvest, you would have reaped more than you sow. Do you understand me? So, as a trader in 2024, look forward to having the mindset of releasing a portion of your money, believing that you will get something in return like the farmer. By this, I mean, when you enter a trade, don't uproot it, don't jump out. If there is any reason for you to jump out of a trade prematurely, it means you did not analyze properly before you entered. And you shouldn't do that as a trader. you should analyze, then agree, come to an agreement, come to terms with yourself that I want to release this money. All right. So when you agree that you want to release this money to the market, and then the market will give you this other one in return, that is your take profit, then don't jump out. Be like the farmer this year. Enter with your stop losses set, your TP set, and allow it to mature. That is the way you will do it this year. All right. So I don't want to leave you behind. That's why I said I should tell you this. The year before the last one, I was doing day trading, and then this last year I was doing swing trading and kind of long-term trading. Not really like very long, let's say 4 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, right? So I was trading on the bigger time frames like the 4-hour and the daily and the weekly this last year. So, and having checked the 2 years, the other year and this one, I would say that the difference in your profitability is not a matter of time frame, it's not a matter of the asset, it's not a matter of your strategy, it's a matter of your management. See, management encompasses risk, emotions, money. Do you understand me? So your risk has to do with your money, of course, but your emotion is a different thing entirely. You need to manage it. So the most important thing in trading is not the stop loss, it's not the lot size, it's not the what do you call it now, the time frame, it's not the asset, but it is how well you manage your emotions and money. That's the most important thing. That's what I've discovered. And as a farmer, you should know how to not put all of your seed in one hole. Do you understand me? So you carry the corn seed, for example, and you dig different holes. That means you will also give room for proper risk management. You can't put all of the seed in one hole expecting to reap a harvest. It does not work like that. So you need to manage money. You don't enter trade with all of your money. No, that's not how you do it. But rather, you plan your trades. When you plan them, because of how well you've done your research and your study, then you execute and forget. You execute and you don't panic, because you know that at the end of the month, at the end of this of the quarter, at the end of the year, you are going to come out with something. All right. So in 2024, don't forget the farmer's principle. Do you understand me? Think like the farmer. Observe, then execute. What I mean by observe is analyze, do your research, then execute. Don't be afraid of losing. Don't be afraid. A farmer is not afraid of losing the seed that dies, because other ones will germinate, and cumulatively the harvest will be more than the seed that is sown. Do you understand what I mean? So that is what you should be doing in 2024. I'm going to be sharing very many content on the channel this year. I'll try to drop a content at least once a week so that you can be going along. And if possible, I might open my channel membership for some of you who would like to be part of the membership. Maybe I can be dropping some analysis and some key knowledge for you people. All right. So in all, ensure that you make money this year. That's the most important thing. Ensure that you make money. All right. So till I see you again, happy trading, and thank you for watching.